Afghanistan is a land rich in history. Mazari-Sharif, located in Balkh province, is a standout destination. The Shrine of Ali is a spiritual heart. Its dazzling blue-green dome captivates. Thousands of visitors flock here yearly. Mazar-i-Sharif is also a cultural hub. It preserves the ancient heritage of Balkh. The philosopher Rumi was born in this region. Farther away, Bamiyan is a unique spot. The Bamiyan Valley once housed giant Buddha statues. Though destroyed, it remains majestic. Band-e-Amir National Park lies near Bamiyan. Its turquoise lakes are breathtaking. Limestone mountains surround them, creating a stunning view. Mazar-i-Sharif and Bamiyan are proof. Afghanistan's beauty endures despite challenges. History and nature blend perfectly here. Band-e-Amir is the first national park of Afghanistan, established in 2009, marking a significant milestone in the conservation efforts of this country. This region once served as a home to Buddhist monks, featuring prominent historical relics, such as the enormous statues of Buddha, which resonated widely before their destruction in 2001. The park spans approximately 80,000 acres, 32,400 hectares, where 6 stunning lakes are formed from natural springs. This creates a rich and diverse ecosystem, attracting numerous researchers and visitors alike. Many visitors are unaware that the lakes at Band-e-Amir have a brilliant turquoise color. This vibrant hue is attributed to the natural minerals and the unique geological conditions of the area. This national park not only stands out for its natural beauty, but also serves as a sanctuary for many rare species of flora and fauna, providing visitors with the opportunity to gain profound insights into nature and culture. Bamiyan, famous for its colossal Buddha statues standing approximately 115 feet, 35 meters, and 175 feet, 53 meters tall, was once regarded as some of the largest works of art in the world before being destroyed in 2001. This area is not only a cultural highlight, but also holds profound historical significance. Historically, Bamiyan was a crucial part of the Silk Road, a crossroads for various cultures and a stopover for traders traveling from Asia to Europe. The cultural exchanges that took place here have left lasting impressions in history and literature. The Bamiyan area features one of the largest valleys in Afghanistan, covering approximately 300,000 acres. It is notable for its breathtaking natural scenery. The majestic landscape, with its mountains and lush vegetation, creates an enticing portrait for nature lovers. This location is renowned for the remains of ancient caves where Buddhist monks once lived and practiced. These remnants reflect the rich development of Buddhism over the centuries. With its combination of culture and nature, Bamiyan attracts not only researchers but also serves as an ideal destination for those who enjoy exploration and experience. The Gardens of Babur is one of the oldest gardens in Kabul, built in the 16th century and reflecting the image of Persian gardens, filled with flowers and water. With an area of approximately 42.5 acres, 17.2 hectares, the garden features around 26 rare species of trees, from olive to almond, creating a rich tapestry of nature. Throughout history, the Gardens of Babur has undergone multiple restorations. Archaeologists affirm that this is the resting place of Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire, marking his legacy in the region's culture. A notable feature of the garden is the central water pond, believed to originate from an ancient irrigation system. This system not only serves the water needs of the garden, but has also been a driving force for agricultural development in the area. The Gardens of Babur stands out with its blend of Mughal culture and local traditions. It truly is an ideal stop for those who love to explore history and nature. The Arg of Darul Aman is a place that was once built as a palace for King Amanullah Khan in 1920, reflecting Afghanistan's transformation during the modern era with its neoclassical architecture combined with Arab style. This palace is not only a symbol of power, but also one of the first architectural works in Afghanistan constructed with concrete, marking an important advancement in the country's building techniques. Covering an area of approximately 18 acres, about 7.3 hectares, the Arg of Darul Aman provides a vast space for significant political and cultural events during its heyday. Although it was once a source of national pride, the Arg of Darul Aman has suffered severe damage in later conflicts, yet it still retains many unique architectural features that few people know about. Situated at the foot of a mountain range that creates a stunning backdrop, the Arg of Darul Aman not only holds cultural value, but also harmonizes with the natural beauty, becoming a fascinating destination for nature lovers. Kala-i-Bost was once one of the largest cities of the Islamic Empire in the 7th century, with an estimated population reaching 100,000 people. This makes a strong impression regarding the scale and development of this region. The ruins of Kala-i-Bost feature many structures of ancient architecture, including towering stone walls that rise 30 feet, 9 meters, and grand entrance gates. These characteristics illustrate the sophisticated development of ancient Afghan civilization. Kala-i-Bost spans an area of approximately 25 acres, 10 hectares, and played a crucial role in ancient trade routes between Asia and the Middle East. This serves as a testament to the strategic position of the region in the history of commerce. South of Lashkar Gah was once a stopping point on the Silk Road, connecting merchants from the east and the west. This highlights the significance of Lashkar Gah in cultural interchange. Helmand boasts a diverse landscape ranging from lush green pastures to arid desert regions. This diversity makes Kala-i-Bost and Lashkar Gah appealing destinations for those who enjoy exploring culture and natural scenery. The Wakan Corridor is a unique region located in Badakhshan province, Afghanistan. It is a sanctuary for some of the rarest wildlife, such as ibex and snow leopards, which are symbols of the wild nature. Furthermore, the Wakan Corridor has played a crucial role in the Silk Road, connecting European and Asian civilizations for thousands of years and creating a rich historical context. This area is highlighted by peaks rising over 24,000 feet, 7,315 meters, making it one of the highest regions in Afghanistan. These mountains are not only captivating, but also present challenges for explorers. Only about 12,000 people inhabit the Wakan Corridor, the majority being of the Waki ethnic group, with their own distinct culture and language, contributing to a rich cultural diversity. Finally, the majestic landscapes and unique biodiversity make the Wakan Corridor an ideal destination for nature lovers seeking to explore the untouched beauty of the environment. Jalalabad, the largest city in Nangarhar province, is also known as the gateway to Afghanistan due to its strategic location, located about 100 miles, 160 kilometers from Turkey and close to important trade routes. The history of Jalalabad spans thousands of years, with the presence of ancient civilizations such as the Arabs and Persians. This city has witnessed many significant battles in the history of Afghanistan. At an elevation of 1,800 feet, 549 meters above sea level, Jalalabad has a warm and arid climate, making it one of the best fruit-growing regions in the country. Few know that Jalalabad was once home to the ancient Emperor Ashoka, who built many famous edicts and played an essential role in spreading Buddhism. Faizabad, Badakhshan, is situated at an elevation of nearly 5,000 feet, 1,524 meters above sea level, making it one of the highest cities in Afghanistan. This unique location draws the attention of many who study geography and climate. Historically, Faizabad was a center of the Silk Road, a hub of trade between various cultures and goods. The prosperous era of the 13th century left a deep imprint on the region's commercial history. The city is home to approximately 110,000 residents, comprising diverse ethnic groups such as Tajik, Uzbek, and Pashtun. This blend creates a rich cultural tapestry that reflects the fusion of different traditions. Faizabad is renowned for its traditional houses constructed from clay. With ancient architectural techniques, these homes help maintain coolness in the summer and warmth during the winter. The surrounding area of Faizabad boasts stunning natural scenery, including majestic mountain ranges and lush valleys. It is an ideal destination for those who love to explore and appreciate the beauty of nature. Balkh is the birthplace of many great historical figures, including the poet Rumi, one of the greatest souls in world literature. This area was once an important cultural and religious center in history, known as the Athens of Central Asia, with many renowned schools and libraries. The area of Balkh is approximately 4,200 acres, 1,700 hectares, where archaeologists have uncovered remnants of ancient civilization dating back thousands of years. Interestingly, Balkh once featured a major city with 360 temples, creating the image of a most prosperous religious city of its time. The landscape of Balkh is distinct, characterized by fertile land along the Amu Darya River, which supports agriculture and offers stunning scenery. Exploring Balkh not only helps visitors gain a deeper understanding of its cultural and historical heritage, but also allows them to enjoy the natural beauty of this land. Mazari-Sharif is home to one of the largest Islamic sanctuaries in the world, Masjid-i Jami, attracting millions of devotees each year. This is not only a religious destination, but also an important cultural symbol. Mazari-Sharif covers an area of approximately 416,000 acres, 168,000 hectares, comparable in size to the city of Seattle, Washington, in the United States. This expanse allows the city to develop a wide range of tourism activities. Another intriguing aspect of Mazari-Sharif is its annual Tulip Festival, held in March, offering an opportunity to admire the vibrant beauty of the flowers. In addition to Mazar-i-Sharif, Balkh is also a noteworthy destination. The birthplace of many renowned philosophers like Rumi, Balkh has existed for over 2,500 years and was once a cultural center of the Silk Road. Balkh boasts magnificent natural landscapes with its mountains and vast pastures, creating an ideal environment for those who love to explore nature. Experiences here are sure to leave a profound impression on visitors. Herat, Afghanistan is known as the Port of the Silk Road. due to its significant role in trade between the East and the West for many centuries. It is one of the most densely populated urban centers, spanning an area of approximately 38 square miles, 19 square kilometers, with an estimated population of 530,000 people. One of the most famous landmarks in Herat is the Herat Citadel, built in the 14th century. This fortress stands as a testament to the architectural techniques of Islamic tomb construction, showcasing the intricacy of design during that era. The climate in Herat is also quite unique. Nestled at the foothills of Hazarajat, it can become frigid in winter, with temperatures potentially dropping below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -6 degrees Celsius. This can come as a surprise to many first-time visitors. In addition, the historic garden Band-e-Amir in Herat covers an area of approximately 14 acres, 5.6 hectares. This place offers visitors a unique natural experience with vibrant trees and flowers, creating a beautiful backdrop for nature lovers. Herat truly is a destination rich in history and culture. These factors make it one of the most noteworthy locations in the region. Kabul is one of the oldest cities in the world, with a history extending over 3,500 years. It has served as a crossroads for many civilizations, from India and China to Persia, creating a rich tapestry of culture. In Kabul, visitors can find remnants of ancient Buddhist temples, signifying that this area was once an important religious center in the past. These historical traces stand as evidence of the city's extensive religious influence. Kabul is situated at an elevation of 5,874 feet, 1,791 meters above sea level, making it one of the highest cities in the world. The majestic natural scenery surrounding it will leave you in awe. Few know that Kabul was once the residence of Alexander the Great, highlighting the undeniable historical significance of this region. It is an important part of an ancient story. The natural landscape of Kabul is incredibly diverse, featuring snow-capped mountains, particularly the Hindu Kush Range, which provides a stunning backdrop for those who enjoy exploring nature. The combination of history and nature here is certainly worth delving into. Kandahar is a region renowned for Afghan tea, considered by many to be the birthplace of the finest tea in the world. Kandahar tea not only attracts tourists, but is also beloved by consumers globally. With an area of approximately 4,400 square miles, about 2.8 million acres, Kandahar is larger than the nation of Luxembourg. Moreover, it serves as the capital of the province and has its place in history, notably with Alexander the Great's famous battle in 330 BC. A unique cultural heritage of Kandahar is the Kandahar irrigation system, believed to have been in operation for thousands of years, playing a crucial role in local agriculture. The almond fields and fruit orchards here stand out with their natural beauty, creating a picturesque landscape. Kandahar is also an intriguing destination for those who love to explore unique agricultural cultures. The serene scenery and fresh air leave a profound impression on visitors. Ghazni, once the capital of several ancient kingdoms, is one of the most important junctions on the Silk Road, connecting Asia to Europe. Here, visitors can admire the Great Mosque of Ghazni, an architectural marvel from the 12th century built from granite, which stands as a testament to the advancement of Islamic art. Ghazni is situated at an elevation of 7,300 feet, 2,225 meters above sea level, providing a cool climate and a diverse natural landscape, including many breathtaking mountainous regions surrounding it. Notably, Ghazni is famous for its rich history, having been the site of one of the fiercest battles in history during the Battle of Ghazni in 1839, where the British forces clashed with the Afghan army. This place also embodies a blend of Islamic culture and local traditions, vividly expressed through unique festivals such as the Ghazni Music Festival. Here, visitors have the opportunity to experience rich local music and art. Ghazni truly stands out as a remarkable destination for those who love to explore history and nature. Panchier Valley is a region of immense historical significance, having once served as a refuge for Ahmad Shah Durrani, one of the most prominent leaders of Afghanistan. It also bears witness to the resistance against the invasion from the province of Bukhara in the 18th century. Panjshir Valley stretches approximately 62 miles, 100 kilometers in length, and has an average width of nearly 5 miles, 8 kilometers. With the majestic landscape of the Hindu Kush mountain range, it creates a stunning natural tableau. Notably, Panjshir was one of the first areas to develop irrigation techniques, enabling residents to cultivate crops on steep hillsides, providing a sustainable food source for the community. However, this land is also the largest producer of opium in Afghanistan, accounting for about 60% of national output. This is a lesser-known aspect of Panjshir. Another interesting point is that Panchier Valley is home to many different ethnic groups, resulting in a diverse culture, from traditional music to unique cuisine, attracting those who love to explore. Kaga Lake is one of the main tourist attractions in Kabul, covering an area of approximately 2.7 square miles, drawing visitors in with its stunning natural beauty. The lake was formed in the 1950s when a dam was built to supply water and facilitate recreational activities. The maximum depth of Kaga Lake reaches 80 feet, 24 meters, placing it among the deepest lakes in the Kabul area. It is an ideal destination for those looking to explore the beauty of nature. Few people know that Kaga Lake once hosted water sports competitions and vibrant cultural events, attracting large crowds of locals and tourists alike. These activities created a unique atmosphere around the lake. In addition to its captivating beauty, Kaga Lake is home to many species of birds, making it an appealing destination for nature lovers and bird watchers. The diverse scenery around the lake offers visitors a delightful experience. Darul Aman Palace is one of the largest cultural symbols of Afghanistan. This structure has suffered severe damage during prolonged conflicts, but that also highlights its resilience. Constructed in 1920, Darul Aman Palace once served as the residence of King Amanullah Khan. The architecture of the building reflects the strong influence of Western design infused into Afghan culture. With an area of approximately 21,000 square feet, about 4.8 acres, Darul Aman Palace impresses with its massive scale and grandeur. Unlike many other buildings, the palace once featured a large ballroom where prominent parties and events took place during its heyday. Nestled amid the majestic nature of the Hindu Kush Mountains, Darul Aman Palace is not just an architectural marvel, it also serves as an exciting destination for those who love exploring the culture and landscapes of Afghanistan. The fusion of culture and scenery here offers unique experiences to visitors. The National Museum of Afghanistan, located in Kabul, houses a collection of artifacts that are over 5,000 years old, including items from the Mesopotamian and Indus civilizations. In 2001, the museum was severely damaged, with approximately 70% of its collection lost or destroyed during conflicts. This represented a significant loss to global cultural heritage. An interesting aspect of the museum is that it once housed artifacts from the Silk Road, showcasing the trade and cultural exchanges between the East and West. The National Museum of Afghanistan is not only a treasure trove of culture, but also a manifestation of resilience and the desire to rebuild a peaceful Afghanistan, attracting nature and history enthusiasts alike. The Habibullah Zazai Park, located in the heart of Kabul, spans approximately 64 acres, making it one of the largest parks in Afghanistan. This park provides valuable green space amidst the bustling city, fulfilling the relaxation and recreational needs of the local population. The park is named after Emir Habibullah Khan, a historical leader of Afghanistan in the early 20th century, renowned for his efforts to modernize the nation. This site not only carries historical significance, but also reflects the local culture. An interesting statistic reveals that Habibullah Zazai Park attracts an average of more than 5,000 visitors each week, demonstrating its importance in community life. This evidence illustrates the park's positive contribution to social cohesion. Within the park, there are hundreds of diverse trees, many of which have existed for over 100 years. This rich ecosystem not only enhances the landscape, but also supports local wildlife. Habibullah Zazai Park is not just a place for relaxation, it also serves as a cultural destination, frequently hosting art and traditional events. This offers a chance to explore the rich culture of Afghanistan through various activities taking place here. Salang Pass is one of the highest mountain passes in Afghanistan, reaching an elevation of 11,300 feet, 3,400 meters, making it one of the most treacherous travel routes in the country. As a strategic route during the Soviet-Afghan War, this pass allowed the military to transport weapons and supplies through the rugged, mountainous regions. When it was constructed in the 1960s, the Salang Tunnel, which is 2,650 meters, 8,692 feet long, became one of the longest tunnels in the world at this elevation. In the winter, temperatures at Salang Pass can drop to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, creating a stunning yet challenging snowy landscape for those driving through. Not only famous for its natural beauty, Salang Pass is also home to cultural relics in the surrounding area. The traditional and ancient villages of the people living here add to its charm, making the pass an ideal destination for those who love culture and nature. Here, visitors can experience a colorful and rich way of life. The Minaret of Jam, standing at 213 feet, 65 meters tall, is one of the most unique architectural structures and a symbol of Islamic civilization in Afghanistan, embodying secrets of centuries of history. Built in the 12th century, the Minaret of Jam is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This structure contains intricate artistic features that reflect the magnificent architectural techniques of that era. The minaret has a diameter of approximately 10 feet, 3 meters at its base and 7 feet, 2.1 meters at its top, showcasing the elegance in its design and construction, allowing it to withstand the test of time and natural disasters. The area surrounding the Minaret of Jam is notable for its majestic natural landscapes, with mountain ranges enveloping lush green fields, creating a unique backdrop for those who love to explore culture and nature. The blending of architecture and nature here is truly awe-inspiring. The Citadel of Alexander, located in Bagram, was constructed approximately 2,300 years ago, reflecting the presence of Greek soldiers in the region. This monument plays a significant role in the history of the Hellenistic movement, revealing much about the ethnic culture and daily life of the local people. The area of Bagram spans around 10,000 acres, 4,047 hectares, and is home to one of the largest military airfields in Afghanistan. A little-known fact is that the Citadel of Alexander was once utilized as a major trade center, connecting trade routes between the East and the West. With its stunning landscapes and majestic mountains surrounding it, Bagram is known as a mysterious paradise for travelers eager to explore culture and nature. This site holds not only historical significance, but also offers a profound experience of diverse cultures. The Shrine of Ali, believed to be the burial site of Ali ibn Abi Talib, the first of the Islamic leaders, attracts millions of devotees from around the world. This place has created a unique center of religious and cultural significance. Mazar-i-Sharif, home to the Shrine of Ali, was once one of the major cultural centers of the Islamic world in the 15th century, featuring exquisite architecture and artistry. The Shrine of Ali is one of the largest and widest temples in Afghanistan, covering an area of approximately 30 acres, 12.1 hectares, accommodating thousands of devotees and visitors each year. In addition to its architectural beauty, the Shrine of Ali is renowned for its annual festival, drawing large numbers of tourists and devotees to participate in special ceremonies. The Mazari-Sharif region stretches amidst a breathtaking natural landscape surrounded by mountain ranges, providing a stunning backdrop for the Shrine of Ali. This destination is an ideal choice for those who appreciate a blend of nature and culture.